everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the location on your Xbox Series X console settings. So just on the home screen here, we want to go to settings and then we can select that, and we want to go on down to where it says system, then go to the right and go to language and location. Now we can go on down to the location and we can change this from like the United States to something else if we really want to do that. But you can change your language under here as well, and the language region, and then the input for the keyboard. And to have these settings applied, you do need to restart your Xbox Series X to update the new location. So just come to this section and look at it. I don't know what you're trying to do with your Xbox, maybe change the store region or something like that. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.